Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is it Worth It, y'all? And today you get me for your week 6, 2026 Three Rivers Challenge pantry update. So I apologize. Greg and I moved our date night last night uh to last night instead of Friday. And so we went out to dinner and we did not get home until late. And so we did not have an opportunity to record us going over the week. So sorry about that. You just get me. So this is going to be a short and sweet one, but it was a good one. It was a good one. We ate very, very well and got rid of some stuff that we needed to. So I've got my phone, so I'm going to look at notes. On Thursday the 5th, we babysat the granddaughter, and so we ended up making spaghetti. We did not use spaghetti noodles. I grabbed like the first thing of noodles out of the big bucket of noodles, and that's what we ate for spaghetti. We did make our own meat sauce with our own tomato sauce and used some Italian sausage. It was pretty good. And then Greg added bell peppers and onions, and yum. On Friday, we had one little thing of fish left in our freezer, so we made a baked fish. I believe I did something sweet. I think I did like a maple syrup to make it sweet, and it turned out pretty good. We had to scrub the snot out of my middle griddle that's in my stove. That sucked, and then we made a rice pilaf, or just a rice dish to go with it. Very, very awesome. Saturday, we had plenty of leftovers, and we did eat leftovers on Saturday like normal. Sunday was Super Bowl, so if you didn't watch the video that came out on Tuesday, I'll link it here. We made a spinach artichoke dip, made some bread to go along with it, and then we had these fantastic nachos with the $1.50 bag of tortillas chips that we bought. Finished that bag off, and Greg found a bunch of leftovers and stuff in the refrigerator, and he just like piled on a bunch of stuff on these nachos, and they're fantastic. They are gone though. They're fantastic. Monday, we did our old staple. We pulled out a freezer meal. When we make meatloafs, we make like somewhere between 4 and 8 at a time, and then we freeze them. And so we pulled out one of our frozen meatloafs, had that. We also make a maple onion jam, or a maple onion jelly, however you want to call it. It's a jam because we're using the whole produce, but we put that on top instead of like a spaghetti sauce or a ketchup. And I tell you what, that combination right there, that's a game changer. I don't know if I think I have a video of us making the maple onion jam. I'll have to go back and look and see if I can find it and link it for you too. It sounds weird. It does not taste weird. That stuff is the bomb. And then Tuesday we had leftovers, and like I said, last night I had training all day, which was great. If you like training, I call it training prison for my job. But the same way with Greg has to do it. I don't know if you have to do that for your job, but you have like this mandatory training you have to take every so often. And it was one of those days. So we opted to go out to dinner. And it's funny though, because when I ordered my dinner, Greg's like, "What do you want?" I go, "Salad." He's like, "What? That's it?" Yeah. I wanted fresh produce. I had been craving a salad. I just want lettuce. And he's like, "Okay, weirdo." But I had salad. It was fantastic. When you haven't had fresh produce in a little while and you have an opportunity to have some, oh yeah, I had fresh lettuce. It was great. So that comes out of our entertainment budget. So that does not go toward our food. And we still have spent $0 this week. So in our February budget of $25, we still have only spent $1.25. So I think that is awesome. We've gotten through all of our leftovers. We've got our meal plan set for the rest of February. It looks really good. Like I said, I don't think we're going to be bored or anything. It's I think we'll be all right. So, of course, now we have to figure out what we're We have to figure out what we're gonna eat on Friday because we already had date night, and so now we gotta fix that. I think we were supposed to have burgers last night. Hang on, let me do my update. Burger night. Oh, if we do burger night, that means I have to make burger buns, not head size burger buns this time. So okay, I updated the. Oh, you're moving. Sorry, I updated the calendar. Okay, so other than that, I think Greg would say the same thing. We're eating really good. We're not bored. We're going through the stuff that we want to go through. Greg did do an inventory over the weekend, and he said that I did really well, and I didn't forget much. Maybe there were like one or two items that I forgot to tell him that I took out of the pantry, but it was pretty darn close. So he really focuses on the jars to make sure that we know that we need to go through those first. And then as about every 6 months, we'll go through all the totes and do that. But he really focuses on jars, and he focuses on like the store-bought canned goods just to make sure we have a good idea of what we're going through and what we have on the shelf. My sale grocery run stock back up list is getting a little bit longer. I think I added, we don't have any more artichokes on the shelf, so no more spinach artichoke dip for a minute. And then there was something else. I already had the mayo on there. Dang it, what was it? There's one other thing that we had to add to the list that we ran out of. So we'll add that to the list. I'll post it because I'll have to look it up because I can't remember what it was. But anyway, we're still not going without. We still have plenty of groceries in the house. All of our fresh stuff is gone, so that's good. We are working now to turn another refrigerator off. So I think that'll be amazing if we can get one more refrigerator turned off, because between the two houses, we have 3 refrigerator freezer combos. And if we can get one more refrigerator turned off, I think that'd be pretty awesome. Not necessarily turned off, y'all, but you know what I mean? Like emptied out of stuff that we need to eat. So we're doing pretty good. We hope that your last week 6 or whichever week you're on of the pantry challenge is going good for you. We're still way under budget, and I don't think we're going to run out of sour cream or that big old bag of cheese before the end of February. So we hope you have an amazing weekend, and we'll catch you back on Tuesday with a new episode of something. I have no idea what I'm going to film, y'all. Comment below if you've got a recipe that you want me to see, that you want to see me go through like start to finish. I make the same stuff all the time. So I need something new anyway to cook. So give me some ideas down in the comments of what should I make next week? Something that's like you haven't seen me do, or maybe you wanted to try it but really don't want to try it because maybe it's like a little intimidating. So let me do that for you, okay? All right, that's all I have. And Greg says hi. Sorry, we got distracted last night with salad. Well, I did. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all. Gosh, every time I move, this thing shakes. Y'all gonna get seasick.